Hi everyone, I am from Mitson Learn, and today I want to talk about a course that I recently took on Udemy called the Data Analyst course, Complete Data Analyst Bootcamp. This course promises to be a comprehensive guide to data analysis, and I was excited to see what it had to offer. The course is designed for anyone who wants to learn data analysis, whether you're a beginner or someone with some experience. The objectives of the course are to teach you the skills you need to become a data analyst, including data collection, preparation, analysis, and visualization. You'll also learn how to use tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau to analyze and present data effectively. This course is perfect for anyone who wants to pursue a career in data analysis or business intelligence. It's also great for entrepreneurs who want to understand their data better and make more informed decisions for their business. If you're interested in learning how to work with data and uncover valuable insights, this course is for you. The course is divided into several modules, each covering a different aspect of data analysis. In the first module, you'll learn about the importance of data analysis and how to get started with the basics. You'll also learn how to use Excel to perform basic data analysis and create visualizations. In the second module, you'll learn about data collection and preparation, including how to clean and prepare data for analysis. The third module focuses on data analysis techniques, including statistical analysis and machine learning. You'll also learn how to use SQL to query and manipulate data in databases. The fourth module covers data visualization, including how to create effective charts and graphs using Tableau. The fifth module is a hands-on project where you'll apply what you've learned to a real-world dataset. Finally, the last module is an overview of the data analysis process and how to communicate your findings effectively. I found the course to be very comprehensive and well-structured. The instructors were knowledgeable and provided clear explanations of the concepts and tools. The course was also hands-on, with plenty of opportunities to practice what I was learning. I especially enjoyed the module on data visualization, as I was able to create some really cool charts and graphs using Tableau. I highly recommend this course to anyone who wants to learn data analysis. It's a great value for the price, and you'll learn a lot about data analysis and how to use various tools. The course is also a great starting point for anyone who wants to pursue a career in data analysis or business intelligence. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid foundation in data analysis and be ready to take on more advanced topics. So, if you're looking to learn data analysis or improve your skills in this area, I highly recommend checking out the Data Analyst course, Complete Data Analyst Bootcamp, on Udemy. With its comprehensive content and hands-on learning approach, you'll be well on your way to becoming a skilled data analyst. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review was helpful.